Yeah, back in the storage place. Have to move out some cars. But I also have bought a new battery for this Porsche Cayenne 955. So I was thinking to see if I can change that now at the same time. You are supposed to put the front seat forward. I have a small battery standing as there. So I have power from a small battery. Then I'm supposed to get in to the back here and move away some plastic here. That plastic is gone. It's supposed to be some plastic moldings over back rails. In this case, they are gone. Back here, supposed to be coming into some clips for the back part. See down here, we have to move away those holders because we need to get into the battery. The battery is under plastic under the seat. Yeah, now I opened both clips back here. Then we have to move the seat backwards. There, in under here are some screws for the front of the seat. There, they say you should move away these two. Yeah, of course, under here are the screws. I didn't remember. It's two 12 angled or XZN bolts, one 10 centimeter or M10 some call it. And here you see we have opening for getting into the battery, but we need to move away the seat first. Here they're not tightened that much. Also on the one over here shouldn't be tightened so hard. When this is done, I'm supposed to be able to angle the seat backwards. And that you can see. I drive it, let's see here, I drive the seat forward now. So get it away as much as possible. There. Open last one. There the box. Now it's a 2 clips in front, 2 back, but here we have a screw T25 that was saying. Take off the key. There. Now the whole box should get out. Then is 10 millimeters to get out. Let's loosen the minus first, in case I lose everything down from the plus on the ground here. There. And I also take off the gas. I should put that. Put it down here so you see it. There. Then is some 10 millimeters. Here is a 10 millimeter. And back here is 10 millimeter. Yeah. There. Taking off the lock holder system in the front, and it's a holder system in the middle. Now to see if I can move this out. This is heavy. There. In with the breather. Dropped in easy. And this one in the front. No, I would like to have it a little forward. There. Now it's resting on the one in the front. There. There. I don't like to have that one connected when I connect the plus, so I'm just there. 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 The battery is in. There. I have to put in the docking. There. And the screw for the docking, T25. There. There. Now I have to put the seat back on and screw it in. I should have been back to fucking run everything. When I put it on, I just drive it back at the same time. And now, 2 screws. Double square. There. And then we have one here. There. I don't remember the moment how much, but it was not much. Yeah. Put back these ones. And one on this side. Hello. Put back this cover.